Yeah, today I'm going to a puzzle.
Puzzle. How old are you?
5 years old.
5 years old. Okay, I'll read the clues to you, okay?
Yeah, she's going to read.
So you will need one green,
Yeah.
one yellow,
One yellow,
one blue,
one blue,
and one orange block.
one orange.
Put rest of them aside.
Put them aside.
Okay. So they have to put in one line, like this. They will go in one
Yeah.
line. Okay, first clue. Yellow and blue should not be corners.
Okay.
And green is at left of yellow.
Okay. These two in the middle
Okay.
and green in the
Left of yellow.
left of you.
Mm-hmm.
And
Okay, done. P3 done?
P3 done.
Yes. Let's
P4.
go to P4. I'll read the clues to you. You can't read,
Four.
baby. Put the blocks back. You will need one yellow, one blue, one orange, and one purple.
I can take any purple.
Yeah, any purple. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So they will be put in this form, okay? Two top and two bottom. Okay.
What's the date today?
Today, yeah. Yellow and blue are at the top.
Yellow,
Yellow and blue are at the top.
yellow and blue at it.
And yellow is directly above orange. Yellow is directly above orange. Okay, and where will the purple one go then?
Purple is not anywhere.
No, but there is one block left, so it has to be put. Alright? Done. P4 done.
P5.
P5. Remove the blocks. I'll give you the next clue. Okay. There are 5 blocks. One blue, one orange, 2 purple, and 1 green. Okay. The first clue. Remove the yellow one. The purple block should not touch one another. Green should be between 2 purple blocks. The purple block should end the chain and blue should begin the chain.
You should be doing the chain
Yes.
and then green.
Purple should end the chain
Purple should end the chain.
and green is between 2 purples.
Orange.
Alright? Perfect? Done. So we done P5 also.
Not P6.
P6.
I can't wait for.
The next one.
I can't wait for this.
Okay, we'll go that also. Okay. P6. Use 2 green, 1 blue, 1 yellow, 1 purple, and 1 orange. Okay. This will be placed in this circular order, okay? Orange is at the top and yellow is at the bottom.
Orange at the top,
And yellow at the bottom.
yellow at the bottom.
No 2 same blocks are together.
No two same boxes are together.
And purple is next to orange.
Purple is next to orange.
Yes. Well done. We're done with it.